If we think about captivity or imprisonment, the first thing might come to you is prison, jail, which is meant for people who have committed mistake and deserve punishments. This thing mainly deals with humans, but if we widen our thinking, we might come into many other living beings who have committed no mistake but are paying their due just because they are not humans, just because they can't speak out their opinion about what they are going through, just because they can't fight with humans. This is about animals, birds who are violated. People have right to use nature for benefits in a limit but can't violate it. Unfortunately, it's not happening. Everyone know what is zoo, circus, but can anyone imagine what happens to animals or birds there? In zoos, they are kept in jails, cages for committing no mistake, for just our happiness. In this crisis of COVID-19, we have experienced sort of captivity where very little of what other organisms go through. We go out and get ourselves entertained, etc., but animals can't. If we think of ourselves in a room for a lifetime with required food, it sounds really scary. Think about animals. Many people keep pets in their houses, which is a good thing, no, a very good thing. But all organisms aren't happy with this. Birds who are born to fly aren't for your happiness in cages. It's like tying up our hands and legs for lifetime, which is done to birds in cages. Fishes which are meant to swim in natural water bodies are kept in little glass balls. Some might be very big aquariums too, but no one can create a lake, a river, or a sea. If I continue, the list goes on. Let's come to circus. You see just animals jumping into rings, doing stunts, or juggling the balls, etc. But can you imagine how much pain that animals might have gone through? Taking strikes for not acting as per the command of master is not easy. There may be thousands of strikes, immense pain to just entertain you in circus. So what can be done? Changing ourselves. Can't you stop going to zoo to give those animals their freedom? Can't you stop caging birds or fishes to let them free, to give them their happiness? Can't you stop buying tickets to circus where animals are humiliated? Can't you give them their liberty? Are we humans so selfish? We live in an ecosystem where we are interdependent to each other. Let's respect animals' freedom too. For just our smile, we don't have any right to punish them. In this video, there are only a few examples, but the list goes on. So please don't punish animals. It's a humble request. Come on, let's change ourselves.